Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering off the terminal and removing network and USB cables to avoid corruption. Next, open the housing carefully. Once done, identify the reset button or reset pads on the PCB. They're small and often near the battery or board edge. Make sure you have admin details and a recent data backup if possible. Press and hold the reset control only during the next power step. This physical method forces a full factory reset when done correctly. You now perform the reset. Press and hold the reset button or short the reset pads firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. While you keep holding, apply main power to the unit so the board detects the reset at boot. This is crucial because the reset must coincide with power-up to clear admin locks. Observe LED indicators or the display. Once you see a factory logo, reboot prompt, or specific LED pattern change, release the button and allow the terminal to complete a full boot. After the device boots, you'll need to log in with default admin credentials and immediately change the password. Then re-enroll fingerprints and restore configuration from your backup or set network and time manually. Make sure to verify user templates and test door control outputs. If the reset appears to fail, check the internal battery and the reset contact for corrosion and try the sequence again, ensuring the button is held during power-up. If problems persist, document LEDs and behavior before contacting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.